More than 350,000 backup portable power generators sold across the US and Canada are being recalled after 8 injuries, including 7-finger amputations and 1 digit getting crushed, according to the US Consumer Product and Safety Commission. An unlocked handle on the equipment can pinch a user's fingers against the generator frame when moving the product, posing finger amputation and crushing hazards, Generac Power Systems stated in a notice posted Thursday by the CPSC. The Waukesha, Wisconsin-based company has received 8 reports of injuries related to the 6,500-watt and 8,000-watt Generac portable generators. The Generac Power Systems products were purchased online and at major home improvement and hardware stores from June 2013 through June 2021 for between $790 and $1,480 each, the company said. The outlets include Ace Hardware, Amazon, Blaines Farm, and Fleet, City Electric Supply, Costco, Do It Best, Fastenal, Home Depot, Lowe's Stores, Napa Auto Parts, Northern Tool and Equipment, Orgill, Power Equipment Direct, Ravitsky Brothers, True Value and W.W. Grainger. Manufactured in the US and China, the generators have gasoline-powered engines used to generate electricity for use as backup power. The generators have 2 wheels and a single, U-shaped, 2-grip, flip-up pin lock handle to help move them. Consumers can check for specific unit type, model number and serial number location information here. Consumers should stop using the recalled generators, unless the locking pin has been inserted to secure the handle in place before and after moving the generator, and contact the company for a free repair kit at 844-242-3493, or online at www.generac.com/handleguard or www.generac.com. The recalled products involve unit type numbers XD8000E, XD8000DFI, GP6500, GP6500E, GP8000D and Home Link 6500D portable generators, and DR models Pro 6500M and Pro 6500E portable generators.